Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting to the app library, swipe left until you pass the final home screen. Make sure your iPhone uses iOS 14 or later. This feature won't appear otherwise. Once you're at the app library, notice the auto-organized folders. Apple groups apps by category to reduce clutter. If you can't find the library, exit folders and close any full-screen apps, then swipe again. This step is critical because it places you in the correct interface to manage and locate apps fast. Once in the app library, you'll search or browse. Tap a category or use the search bar at the top for list view. To add an app to your home screen, press and hold its icon, then drag it out. This creates a shortcut without duplicating the app. If you need to move multiple apps, long press empty space, enter jiggle mode, then drag apps from the list. Alternatively, use edit home screen to delete or offload. These steps let you control visibility and reduce clutter. To finish, clean up. Hide unused home screens by long pressing the background, tapping the home screen dots, and unchecking screens you don't want visible. Make sure Settings Home Screen has your preferred default for newly downloaded apps. If an app seems missing, search inside the app library first. If it still doesn't appear, check App Store purchases and reinstall. If icons won't move, restart the phone and try again. Reboot resolves most responsiveness or layout issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.